This is the ZINUS Smart Metal Box Spring. This box spring comes in various different sizes, giving you the flexibility to choose which size box spring you need based on which mattress you have. This box spring came with instructions and all the necessary tools and materials to get it completely built. The instructions were really straightforward, and although there were a few steps involved, putting it together was very simple and easy. This is what the box spring looks like without the cover. Unlike a lot of box springs, this box spring is actually made of solid steel that's a lot easier to put together than other traditional box springs. In addition to being easy to put together, the steel that this box spring is made of is extremely durable, with the twin size being able to support up to 350 pounds and all other sizes offered being able to support up to 700 pounds. The box that this box spring came in was decently compact and easy to move around for what it is. As far as the material of the cover of the box spring itself goes, it's made of a knitted polyester material that's really durable, and it has a non-slip texture that will ensure your mattress stays on the bed. Speaking of staying on the bed, keep in mind that this box spring does need a bed frame in order to be set up properly. That being said, even with a bed frame that doesn't actually require a box spring in order to hold the mattress in place, you still will benefit from using the box spring because it'll give you a little bit more elevation off the ground. And this is especially nice for shorter bed frames where you could benefit from having a little bit more elevation to be level with something like a nightstand or an end table in your bedroom. It's also nice if you like to be up a little higher from the ground, in which case, again, having a box spring like this to give you just a little bit of extra clearance is going to help you out a lot. At the end of the day, this box spring is really durable and strong, convenient and simple to set up, light enough to be easy to move around, while at the same time tall enough to really make a difference in the setup of your bed without being too tall. But this is the ZINUS Smart Metal Box Spring.